Welcome to a video by Abron Export. This is incubator, bacteriological incubator or hot air incubator. This particular model is with the fan because the accuracy is 0.1 degree, so our better accuracy will be maintained by fan. There is a fan which you can switch off, and then there are on the panel has a glass window. It has a glass window. And then you can see the inside is stainless steel. All stainless steel heaters are provided on these, and there are trays, 2 trays provided, and the fan is on the top side. You can see the fan, it is on the top side. And then if you close it, this is lockable. This is lockable by the knob. Now I show you the panel has on and off and on position. This is off position, this is on position, so that means both will be on position. So when the heater is on, you can see this heater is on this. I can switch on the fan, which will only be making it. This I am not using fan at present because in the video the voice will be there. So this indicates that the load means the heater is glowing and the heating is going on. Main means indicator will tell you that the power is coming, and this one is a control panel with the digital PID controller where we have set the 45 degree temperature. This will work 5 degree above room temperature. If the room temperature is 20 degree, it will work from 25. If the room outside temperature is 50 degree, it will work from 55 degree. If the outside temperature is 10 degrees, here now today in my city the temperature is almost 10 to 12, so that it will start working on 15 also. So this how to set the temperature. You push this, there you can set the temperature. I'll just show you how this is now 45 degree. You can increase or decrease. I can make it 44 or 50 degree by pushing it. I can make it 47 degree here, and I can put it set. Means now 47 degree will be achieved, and this is inside temperature is 15 degree, and the heating is going on. It's very easy. You should keep the fan on when the heating is going on. You should keep the fan on for better accuracy. It will be maintained 0.1 degree accuracy. The controller is there, but invariably it will be maintaining 1% of the display, which is about 100 degree. This incubator is only for temperature. It does not have, this particular model does not have a cooling system, whereas most of the instruments generally will have a cooling system. Please visit the website, and this is our email abron01@gmail.com. website is abronexports.com, and there the WhatsApp number is 94160200018. Please visit the website, and we have got another oven is also with us. You can subscribe to the channel and see the videos and share the videos and like the videos, and we will next you can see the hot air oven system also. Thank you.